Welcome to our comprehensive comparison between the TP-Link Archer A7 and Archer AX50 routers. In this review, we'll examine 4 key specifications: wireless performance, security features, hardware components, and software functionalities. Wireless. The Archer A7 supports Wi-Fi 5 standards, offering AX1750 speeds with 1300 MPs on the 5 GHz band and 450 MPs on the 2.4 GHz band. Meanwhile, the Archer AX50 embraces Wi-Fi 6 technology, providing AX3000 speeds with 2402 MPs on the 5 GHz band and 574 by 2 MPs on the 5 GHz. Both routers feature high-performance antennas and beamforming technology for extended coverage and signal strength enhancement. Security. While both routers offer SPI firewall, access control, IP MAC binding, and application layer gateway, the Archer AX50 goes further with home care features, including antivirus protection, malicious site checker, port intrusion prevention, infected device isolation, and notification logs. Both routers support guest networks, VPN server functionalities, and various encryption standards for secure wireless communication. Hardware. The Archer A7 is powered by a Qualcomm QPU, while the Archer AX50 features a dual-core QPU for enhanced performance. Both routers offer 1 gigabit WAN port and 4 gigabit LAN ports for high-speed wired connections. The Archer AX50 also supports static link aggregation, lag, with 2 LAN ports providing even faster Ethernet connectivity. Additionally, both models feature ports for file sharing and media streaming. Software. Both routers support IP4 and IPv6 protocols, along with quality of service (QoS) by device for efficient bandwidth management. The Archer AX50 comes with home care parental controls, offering custom profiles, content filtering, app blocking, URL filtering, time limits, and log insights for advanced network management. Both routers offer cloud services for firmware upgrades, dynamic DNS support, and various NAT forwarding options. In conclusion, while the Archer A7 provides reliable Wi-Fi performance and essential security features, the Archer AX50 offers advanced Wi-Fi 6 technology, enhanced security with home care features, and additional hardware capabilities like link aggregation. Thank you for watching our comparison review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. Stay tuned for our next video.